Okay, in this video, I am going to go through calculus, so basic differentiation and integration for your upcoming year end of year 12 assessment or your end of year 13 assessment for AS and A2 pure mathematics students in the UK. Okay, but this is also applicable here for anyone here that is learning calculus in America or different parts of the world. Question 1. Given that y is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 6x to the power of a half, find in their simplest form a over the x. So the power goes down as a multiplier and the power goes down by 1. So think of it as 1x to the power of 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Then we're going to put x. We're going to knock 1 from the power. That's going to be 3. Plus, now we're going to do 6 times a half. That's going to be 3. A half of 6 means 6 divided by 2, which is 3. X, and then we knock 1 from the power, so the power goes down by 1. So that minus a half. Because a half minus 1, think of it as a half minus 2 over 2, or half minus 2 halves. Okay, using the rules of fractions. Okay, from GCSE. Okay, when you minus 1 whole, same as doing 2 over 2. So we're going to have a half, subtract 2 over 2, minus 2 halves. That's where we get the minus a half from. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay, and then I've got a common denominator of just 2. Okay, part B, find the indefinite integral of y dx. So this is the reverse process. So I'm going to add 1 to the power and then divide by the new power. Okay, so that's going to be x to the power of 5 over 5 plus, and then I'm going to be quite careful actually here. I'm going to add 1 to the power and then divide by the new power. So adding 1 to a half, I get 3 halves. Again, think of it as a half plus 2 over 2 or half plus 2 halves. Okay, you can obviously check if you're unsure. Okay, now adding 1 to a fraction, okay, I can write 1 as 2 over 2 or 2 halves. Okay, so divided by 3 halves, and then not forgetting our integration constant that was c. Do not forget that here when you're doing indefinite integrals. Okay, let's obviously simplify this here, tidy it up. I have a fifth x to the power of 5, and then I've got 6 divided by 3 halves. So dividing by a fraction, okay, and yeah, the KFC method of keep, flip, change, we multiply here by the reciprocal. So we're going to have 6 times 2/3, and 6 times 2/3, again, yeah, if you do it on your calculator by hand, you get 12/3, which is equal to 4. So you're going to have plus 4x to the power of 3 halves. Okay, plus that integration constant, c. Okay, and that is done. Okay, so questions like this are almost certain to come up in your A-level exams and AS and A2 pure exams. Okay, next one goes to this question 1 here from a different paper. Given that y is equal to x to the 4 plus x to the power of a third plus 3, find the power of the x again. So find the first derivative. So the power comes down as a multiplier, and the power reduces by 1. So we're going to have 4x cubed. And then we got plus x to the power of a third. It's going to go to plus 1/3 plus a third x to the power of 2/3. We knock 1 from the power. Third, subtract 1. Again, obviously check it on your CO calculator. Okay, and then obviously the plus 3 goes to 0 because a constant changes to 0. And that, guys, is pretty much differentiation and integration summarized in literally just a few minutes. Okay, I hope it's been useful. Thank you for watching. If you have found it useful, please consider liking the video, follow me on TikTok, subscribe to me on YouTube, okay, and check out my socials, my Facebook page and my Instagram page, where I'm going to be posting over there as well in the summer period. Thank you.